Hi everyone. So today we're going to look at grouping or classifying quadrilaterals based on their similarities and differences. So right here Ethan grouped these, group 1, rhombuses. He put rhombuses together because rhombuses all have 4 equal sides. And if you look, these look like they all have 4 equal sides. He grouped group 2, he grouped trapezoids together. Trapezoids have one pair of parallel sides and the other side is not parallel. And you can see all of these have one pair of parallel sides and one pair that's not parallel. So parallel, and then these two are not parallel. Over here, it says Nellie drew a group of rectangles and a group of trapezoids. How are her groups different? So I drew them beforehand. So the rectangles have 4 right angles, 1, 2, 3, 4, while a trapezoid does not. And a trapezoid has one pair of parallel sides, while a rectangle has 2 pairs of parallel sides. How are rectangles and trapezoids alike? So they are alike because they both have at least one pair of parallel sides, and they're both quadrilaterals, which answers the next question. What larger group of polygons do all of Nellie's shapes belong to? And they all have 4 sides, so they're all quadrilaterals. Over here, it says draw a shape that belongs to Ethan's group 1. So in Ethan's group 1, he drew, and I'm going to do my best here. He drew rhombuses, which means that they all have equal sides, and my sides might not be perfectly equal, but I'm trying. And in group 2, draw a shape that belongs to group 2, trapezoid, which I did up top. I'm going to draw 2 lines that are parallel, and then these 2 lines are not parallel. Why is there a square in group 1? And if I look over here in group 1, there is a square, or even 2 squares. This is a square on its side because the definition of a rhombus is that it has 4 equal sides, and squares also have 4 equal sides. So have fun with your geometry today, and I will talk to you tomorrow.